You are doing great, kids. It is time to learn how to add and subtract in terms of math. Someone who knows this cooking class very well is here to help us learn. The cooking teacher has 78 kilograms of potatoes. She uses 12 kilograms of potatoes. How many kilograms of potatoes does she have left? We can use a model to help us. 78 minus 12 equals 66. She has 66 kilograms of potatoes left.
Let's try one more example. The cooking teacher has 880 grams of flour. She uses 320 grams on Monday and 140 grams on Tuesday. How much flour does she have left at the end of Tuesday? Let's draw a model to help us. 320 grams plus 140 grams equals 460 grams. 460 grams is how much flour she used. 880 grams minus 460 grams is how much flour she has left. 880 grams minus 460 grams equals 420 grams. Therefore, the cooking teacher has 420 grams of flour left.
That's the end of the lesson. Let's do a quiz.